Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to Telegram mini apps. In this deep dive, we'll unravel everything you need to know about this game-changing Telegram feature. From what mini apps are, how they work, how they differ from bots and channels, to real-world stories and even a hands-on walkthrough for building your own. Settle in, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand Telegram mini apps, you'll see why they're shaping the future of messaging. Picture this. You're chatting with friends on Telegram. Someone suggests ordering food. Without ever leaving your chat, you tap a button, browse a menu, split the bill, and track your delivery, all inside Telegram. Or maybe you're planning a weekend trip. You open a travel mini app, book tickets, split expenses, and even play a trivia game about your destination. All seamlessly integrated into your group chat. That's the magic of Telegram mini apps. They bring the power of full-featured web applications right into your Telegram experience, blurring the line between messaging and everything else you do online. Today, we're going on a journey. We'll trace the evolution of messaging apps and see why mini apps are the next big leap. Break down what mini apps are, how they work, and how they're different from bots and channels. Explore real-world use cases, from gaming to e-commerce. We'll peek under the hood to see how Telegram loads mini apps. And finally, we'll roll up our sleeves and walk through building a simple mini app together. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with a bit of history. Remember the early days of texting? SMS was king. Messaging was simple. Just text, maybe a photo if you were lucky. Then came apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram, adding group chats, stickers, media sharing, and more. But as our digital lives grew more complex, so did our expectations. We wanted more than just messages. We wanted to do things. Order food, play games, manage our schedules, shop, and even handle our finances, all without juggling a dozen different apps. Telegram has always been ahead of the curve. It started with secure, fast messaging. Then came channels for broadcasting to large audiences, and bots for automating tasks and providing information. Bots were a big step. Suddenly, you could interact with automated assistants right in your chat. Set reminders, get weather updates, play text-based games. But bots had their limits. Mostly text-based, not very interactive, and sometimes clunky. Enter mini apps. Telegram's answer to the super app dream. A single platform where you can chat, play, shop, manage your money, and more, all in one place. Think of WeChat in China. A single app where you can message, pay bills, book taxis, and shop. Telegram mini apps bring that vision to a global audience, letting any developer build powerful, interactive apps that live inside Telegram. Imagine the possibilities. A travel agency mini app that lets you book flights in a group chat. A fitness coach mini app that tracks your workouts. Or a multiplayer game you can play with friends. All without ever leaving Telegram. So, what exactly is a Telegram mini app? A Telegram mini app, or TMA, is a web application built with familiar web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that runs directly inside the Telegram Messenger. Think of it as a website or web app, but deeply integrated into Telegram, offering a seamless, native-like experience. Key features. 1. Integration within Telegram. Mini apps are designed to blend smoothly into Telegram. You can access them from chats, groups, or by interacting with bots. 2. Cross-platform compatibility. Because they're web-based, TMAs work across Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and Linux. No extra installation required. 3. Enhanced functionality. Mini apps go beyond messaging. They can power games, content sharing, productivity tools, financial services, and more. 4. Monetization in Web3. TMAs can include in-app purchases, subscriptions, ads, and even blockchain integration for payments and NFTs. 5. Bot interaction. Many mini apps use Telegram bots for automation, notifications, and dynamic content. 6. Community development. Telegram's developer ecosystem is thriving, with third-party developers creating and sharing innovative mini apps. Let's bring this to life. Imagine you're planning a trip with friends in a group chat. Instead of switching between apps to split expenses, book tickets, or play a travel quiz, you launch a mini app right inside Telegram. You split costs, book flights, and even challenge your friends to a trivia game about your destination, all without leaving the chat. That's the power of mini apps, frictionless, interactive, and fun. Now you might be wondering, aren't bots and channels already powerful? Why do we need mini apps? Let's break it down. 1. Mini apps, TMAs. User experience, rich and interactive web UI. Development, HTML, JS, CSS, Telegram API. Integration, deep, seamless, and native-like. Capabilities, multimedia, payments, games. Best for e-commerce, games, and productivity. 2. Bots. User experience, text-based chat commands, development, any language, plus bot API. Integration, separate and chat-based. Capabilities, simple automation, info. Best for reminders, info, automation. 3. Channels. User experience, one-way broadcast. Development, managed via Telegram. Integration, broadcast only. Capabilities, announcements. Best for news, updates. Example, let's say you want to play chess with a friend. With a bot, you type commands like move e2, e4, and the bot would reply with a text-based board. Functional, but not very immersive. With a mini app, you tap a button and a beautiful chessboard appears. You drag pieces, see your friend's moves in real time, chat on the side, and maybe even watch a timer tick down. It's a full interactive experience, right inside Telegram. Key differences. Bots are great for simple automation and information, like getting weather updates or setting reminders, but they're limited to text-based interactions. Channels are one-way broadcasts, perfect for news and updates, but not interactive. Mini apps are full-fledged web apps offering rich interactive experiences with custom interfaces, multimedia, and real-time features. Let's explore how mini apps are already transforming the Telegram experience across different industries. 1. E-commerce. Imagine a bakery that wants to sell cakes directly to its customers. With a mini app, customers can browse the menu, place orders, pay, and get delivery updates, all within a Telegram chat. Sophie runs Sweet Treats Bakery. She launches a mini app inside her Telegram channel. Customers tap a button, browse the latest cakes, customize their orders, pay using Telegram payments, and chat with Sophie for special requests. No need for a separate website or app. Orders skyrocket, and Sophie's customers love the convenience. 2. Gaming. Mini apps are perfect for games, multiplayer trivia, puzzles, or even full-blown strategy games. A game studio creates a quiz mini app. Friends challenge each other in real time, share scores, and buy hints using Telegram payments. Leaderboards keep the competition fierce, and the game goes viral in Telegram groups. 3. Customer support. Businesses can offer instant interactive support through mini apps. An electronics store builds a mini app for customer support. Users can troubleshoot issues, access guides, and chat with support agents, all within Telegram. Automated flows handle common problems, while live agents step in for complex cases. 4. Marketing campaigns. Brands can run interactive promotions, giveaways, and surveys. A cosmetics brand launches a Spin the Wheel mini app for discounts. Users spin, win prizes, and share results with friends. The brand collects valuable feedback and grows its Telegram community. 5. Booking and appointments. Service providers can handle bookings, reminders, and payments seamlessly. A spa introduces a mini app for bookings. Clients browse services, schedule appointments, pay, and get reminders, all without leaving Telegram. Cancellations and rescheduling are just a tap away. 6. Health and fitness. Personal trainers and nutritionists can deliver personalized plans and track progress. A nutritionist's mini app delivers daily meal plans, tracks clients' food intake, and schedules virtual consultations. Clients chat with the nutritionist, receive reminders, and stay motivated, all within Telegram. 7. Decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs. With Ton blockchain integration, users can manage crypto assets, trade NFTs, and more. A DeFi mini app lets users stake tokens, earn rewards, and manage wallets, all in Telegram. NFT marketplaces allow users to buy, sell, and trade digital collectibles in real time. Let's peek under the hood and see how Telegram loads and runs mini apps. At their core, Mini apps are web pages loaded inside Telegram's built-in browser. Developers use the Telegram Web Apps SDK, a JavaScript library, to access Telegram features and build interactive experiences. How it works. 1. Launching a mini app. Mini apps can be launched in several ways, via a bot, a chat menu, or an inline button. For example, a bot might send a keyboard button labeled Order Food. Tapping it opens the mini app with the specified URL. 2. User data and context. When the mini app opens, Telegram passes basic user information: ID, name, username, language, and session identifiers. This allows the app to personalize the experience and interact with the user securely. 3. Interaction with bots. The mini app can send data back to the bot using methods like telegram.webapp.senddata. The bot can then process this data, send messages, or trigger other actions in the chat. 4. Custom UI and features. Developers can build any interface they want: forms, games, dashboards, media galleries, using web technologies and the Telegram Web Apps SDK. 5. Security and privacy. Telegram provides secure user authentication and context. Sensitive operations can require additional verification. Key SDK features. 1. Ready. Signals that the mini app is ready to be displayed. 2. Close. Closes the mini app and returns to the chat. 3. Expand. Expands the mini app to full screen. 4. User data handling. Access user info, theme, and language. 5. Payment integration. Handle in-app purchases and payments. You're in a chat and someone sends a Book Now button. You tap it and a sleek booking interface appears. You select a time, confirm your details, and pay, all without logging in or switching apps. The mini app closes and you get a confirmation message in the chat. That's the seamless experience Telegram mini apps deliver. Now, let's get hands-on. How do you create your own mini app? Step 1. Set up your web app. Use your favorite web framework: React, Vue, Svelte, or even plain HTML, CSS, JS. For this example, let's use React and TypeScript. Step 2. Install the Telegram Web App SDK. Step 3. Connect the SDK in your HTML, using XML or import via NPM in your React app. Step 4. Build your interface. Use the SDK to access Telegram features. Set background color, show hide buttons, access user data, etc. Step 5. Deploy your web app. Host your app on a web server. Use Vercel, Netlify, or your own server. Make sure your app is accessible via HTTPS. Step 6. Create a Telegram bot. Open Telegram and chat with BotFather. Use NewBot to create a bot. Set its name and username, and get the access token. Use New App to register your mini app, link it to your bot, and provide your web app URL. Step 7. Link the mini app to your bot. In your bot's settings, add a menu button or inline button that opens your mini app. You can also set your mini app as the bot's main app for easy access. Step 8. Test your mini app. Open Telegram, find your bot, and launch the mini app. Interact, test, and iterate. Let's build a simple poll mini app. Users launch the app, see a question, tap an answer, and the result is sent back to the bot. The bot records the vote and sends a summary to the chat. Tips and best practices. Keep interfaces simple and mobile-friendly. Use Telegram's APIs for payments, notifications, and user data. Verify user data for sensitive operations. Optimize for performance. Mini apps should load quickly. Let's imagine we're building a quick poll app for a group chat. We set up the web app, connect the SDK, deploy it, and link it to our bot. In minutes, our friends are voting on the next movie night pick. No separate website, no extra logins, just pure Telegram magic. Where are mini apps headed? Community and ecosystem. Telegram's developer community is booming. Open source projects, templates, and tutorials are everywhere. Developers are sharing, collaborating, and pushing the boundaries of what mini apps can do. Web3 and blockchain integration. With ton blockchain support, mini apps can handle crypto payments, NFTs, and decentralized finance. Imagine managing your crypto portfolio, trading NFTs, or participating in DeFi protocols, all inside Telegram. Potential for businesses. Mini apps open new doors for customer engagement, brand loyalty, and revenue streams. Businesses can reach Telegram's 900 million users directly, offering personalized, interactive services without the friction of separate apps or websites. Let's recap. Telegram mini apps are web applications that run inside Telegram, offering seamless, interactive experiences. They're more powerful than bots or channels, enabling games, shopping, support, and more. Real-world use cases are everywhere, from e-commerce and gaming to DeFi and NFTs. Building a mini app is accessible to anyone with web development skills. The future is bright, with endless opportunities for innovation and business growth. Now, I want to hear from you. What mini app would you build or love to use? Drop your ideas in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. Next episode, we'll build a real Telegram mini app step by step, so stay tuned. FAQ and viewer questions. Question 1. Can mini apps access my personal data? Mini apps receive basic user info, like name and username, when you launch them, but developers must follow Telegram's privacy guidelines. Sensitive data requires explicit user consent, and Telegram provides secure authentication. Question 2. Do I need to install anything extra? No. Mini apps run directly inside Telegram on any device, with no extra installations required. Question 3. How do payments work in mini apps? Developers can integrate payments using Telegram's payment APIs, supporting over 20 providers including Google Pay and Apple Pay. Payments are secure and seamless. Question 4. Are mini apps safe? Telegram enforces strict security standards. Mini apps run in a sandboxed environment, and sensitive actions require user confirmation. Always use trusted mini apps from reputable sources. Before we wrap up, let me share my favorite mini app, a collaborative whiteboard where my friends and I brainstorm ideas for our next big project, all in real time, without leaving Telegram. It's simple, powerful, and a glimpse into the future of digital collaboration. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Telegram mini apps are transforming how we chat, play, shop, and connect. The only limit is your imagination. See you in the next video, where we'll build a Telegram mini app together, line by line.